Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the law of attraction and why it may not be working for you even though you feel like you are doing everything right. The law of attraction is the belief that by focusing your thoughts on something you desire, you can attract it into your life. But sometimes, even when we think we are employing the law of attraction, what we want still does not show up. Why is that? Reason 1: not being specific enough. One major reason the law of attraction fails is that people are not specific enough about what they want to attract. You can't just say, I want more money and expect stacks of cash to appear. Get detailed: how much money, by what date, in what form. The more precise your goal, the better the law of attraction can work. Reason 2: not matching vibration. Another reason is that your vibration is out of alignment with what you want to manifest. You can't spend all day feeling lack, jealousy, or frustration and then expect to attract great things. You have to raise your vibration through gratitude, visualization, affirmations, and living in the feeling of already having your desire. Reason 3: not taking action. While positive thinking is a key, action is also required to fully utilize the law of attraction. You can't just sit around expecting your dream life to be dropped in your lap. Once you set an intention, you also have to take steps, and synchronicity will occur. Maybe you need to apply for that new job or sign up for a class. Taking action reinforces your intention. Reason 4: not letting go of attachment. Finally, another big mistake is being overly attached to when and how your desire will come to you. The universe has its own timing and ways. If you are constantly wondering where it is and why it has not happened yet, you end up blocking the flow. Practice present moment awareness. Know it is coming and release the attachment to the process. So in summary, be specific in your intentions, match your vibration, take aligned action, and let go of attachments. If you do this, you will be much more likely to experience the magic of the law of attraction. Trust the process and don't give up hope. The universe always finds way when you get out of your own way. I hope this video helps provide some clarity on making the law of attraction work better for you. Let me know in the comments if you have any other tips. Thanks for watching.